In this example, we are asked to solve for the variable. So we want to start by looking at this left side of the equation. And I can see how it would be very tempting to do the subtraction of 9 minus 2 right away. However, please notice that the negative 2 is right up against these parentheses, which is showing multiplication. And if you think about your order of operations, multiplication must come before addition or subtraction. So we have to start by distributing this negative 2. So the negative 2 times 3x will give us negative 6x, and the negative 2 times 5 will give us negative 10. And then I can bring down the 9, and the equals 17. After the distribution, we want to combine like terms. So I have to look for like terms on this left side of the equation. I have a constant, a term with x, and then another constant. These constants can be combined because neither of them have a variable. However, this negative 6x has a variable of x, so therefore it cannot be combined. So the 9 and negative 10 are going to give us negative 1. And then I can bring down the negative 6x, and the equals 17. Now that we're all done simplifying with the combining like terms and the distribution, we can go ahead and solve this. In order to solve, we want to start with the constant on the side of the variable. The constant here is this negative 1, and I can inverse that with a positive 1 and add 1 to both sides. That will cancel out the constant and leave me with negative 6x on the left and 18 on the right. Finally, I want to inverse the coefficient. The coefficient in this problem is the negative 6, and it is multiplying against the variable. The opposite of multiplying is to divide, so we're going to use a division bar to divide by the coefficient of negative 6 on both sides. That will leave us with x on the left and an answer of negative 3.